Every week, the Jager Pro Camera Department receives phone calls from customers who currently own a BoarBuster trap, but would rather use our M.I.N.E live video camera. There are multiple advantages for making the simple conversion from this to this. First, Hawkeye is an off-the-shelf security camera originally designed for a 120-volt AC outlet in a home or business. This design creates excessive power consumption when using direct current in the field, which requires 1 or 2 heavy marine batteries housed inside a huge power box. These batteries will drain in a week or so without daily charging from a 3-foot by 3-foot solar panel. The M.I.N.E live video camera was designed specifically for direct current operation in the field with very little power consumption. Expect 60 to 90 days of operation using a Jager Pro battery box without needing a solar charger at all. This allows bait sites and trap sites to operate in shaded areas, which is far more effective and efficient for whole sounder captures. The Hawkeye camera is tethered to the BoarBuster by a 6-wire cable. This means their camera must be located within 20 feet of the rotary latch, which may be looking directly into the sun during sunrise or sunset. The M.I.N.E live video camera simply sends a wireless signal to the control box receiver and can be positioned 360 degrees around the BoarBuster without installing a bulky cable. The M.I.N.E camera is half the Hawkeye purchase price and less expensive to operate the monthly data plan. So let's demonstrate the simplicity of converting your BoarBuster trap to our M.I.N.E live video camera. Remove the Hawkeye camera cable from the BoarBuster rotary latch by disconnecting the cannon plug. Drive a T-post 4 feet to the right of the winch and mount the Jager Pro control box with wireless receiver. Connect new control box cannon plug to the rotary latch. Then secure a wiring harness to trap frame with a zip tie. Always trim excess with cutting pliers. Secure a wiring harness on opposite side of trap frame with a second zip tie to prevent harness damage and also help protect the latch wiring. Again, trim any excess. Now the control box, wiring harness, and latch are safely positioned and will not interfere with winching or dropping the BoarBuster. Drive a second T-post 3 foot outside the trap in the most favorable camera location. Secure M.I.N.E live video camera to the extension pole after wirelessly pairing camera transmitter to control box receiver. Fully raise extension pole to maximum height and observe coverage area with either video or a photo. Adjustments are made on the camera mount or extension pole for proper elevation, angle, and windage until the M.I.N.E camera is able to view the entire trap area through its 90-degree field of view. Notice the trap drops immediately upon request, but it takes roughly 3 seconds for data to stream through our server and local cellular network prior to receiving as video on my cell phone. The land manager shared a Hawkeye photo of 4 pigs feeding 2 nights earlier on 26 June. This intel of 4 red pigs is our definition of success for the test capture using the M.I.N.E live video camera. Lance quickly baits the trap center with a 3rd bucket of corn at 17:42. We depart the area at 18:08, leaving the trap site with much less equipment and congestion on the ground than when we arrived. This should be a very favorable view from a feral pig's perspective. We receive our first photo 2 hours and 20 minutes later of 3 red pigs. Viewing live video simply requires opening the Jager Pro app and pressing a single button to wake up the M.I.N.E camera from its power-saving hibernation. There are 3 pigs feeding at 20:29, and the 4th pig finally joins his siblings at 20:46. We could easily capture them at any time, but want to see the M.I.N.E camera infrared illuminators light up the BoarBuster, since it is only an 18-foot diameter trap. Our staff is used to seeing this camera illuminate the entire 35-foot diameter area of our M.I.N.E trapping system. The The 4 pigs feed until 21:05 and depart the trap site. Lance rebaits the next afternoon, and all 4 pigs arrive at 18:42. Here is another high-definition camera angle at ground level to give our audience a different perspective to compare the M.I.N.E camera against in the rain. We can see lightning flash and hear thunder roll in the background. For a great video and audio test of our camera technology. The time is 18:51. Using the Jager Pro mobile app, I press the close gate button and drop the enclosure. Lance arrives within an hour to euthanize all 4 pigs with a suppressed rifle. Then photographs them prior to collecting data for the Harvest Efficiency Report. BoarBuster owners can see how easy it is to convert to a M.I.N.E live video camera and operate your trap for months instead of days, even in the shade, without needing a huge battery and solar charger. Less equipment in exchange for longer operation at a fraction of the cost. This is yet another example of Jager Pro innovation helping farmers, landowners, and hog control operators become more efficient in the field regardless of the trap they are currently using. Please share this video with everyone you know who owns a BoarBuster trap or hog eye camera, so they too may enjoy a new standard of efficiency and cost effectiveness. We manufacture a M.I.N.E camera conversion kit for every trap on the market, so order your specific model at jagerpro.com today. We need your support. Please become a Hog Control Academy patron so we may continue sharing our stories, knowledge, and whole sounder methodology. Stay connected with us on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram to view legacy content and receive access to our hog control updates. Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment, learn more about integrated wild pig control, or locate your nearest authorized dealer. If you have a question, suggestion, or segment idea, feel free to email us at info@jagerpro.com.